In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play against your friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up a match so you can play against your friend. You will be able to set up your own private match. No one will be able to join, and you can set up your own rules, choose the deck that you want to use, and play against anyone. So all that you have to do is first, from the home screen, go into the battle menu. So it is going to be this icon here. If you tap the battle icon and you get this message, it means that you still have to reach player 3 to unlock it. So keep playing until you reach level 3. Once you reach level 3, then you will be able to go into the battle menu, and now to set up a match against your friend, you have to go over to Versus. So choose Versus, and you will see all of the modes. When you select Versus, you have to choose to make a private match. So there will be plenty of options after selecting Versus, just select Private Match. With this done, when you select Private Match, you will have to enter a password. At the bottom here, you can choose the deck that you want to use, so you will see all of the presets that you have, and assuming that you just started playing, there should be only one that is selected by default. Now you have to enter a password. You can enter whatever it is that you want to use, or have a password generated automatically, whatever you prefer. So either enter it manually or make the game create one. With this done, your friend needs to follow the exact same steps. So both of you need to go into the battle menu, choose a private match, and both of you need to enter the same password. So for example, if the password was ABC12, you need to enter it here, and your friend needs to do the same. Once both of you have entered the password, just go ahead, choose your deck, and then tap on the option to battle. It doesn't need to be at exactly the same time, as long as the password was set up the same. And as long as the password is equal to both of you, and you choose the option to battle, you will be matched up against each other. So, because only the two of you are queuing with that password, you will be able to play together in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.